If you're receiving this message, it means you are permanently banned on Valorant. It is very easy to get banned on Valorant. You can get banned for cheating, bad behavior, or your ban could have just been a false ban. Whatever the case is, I'm here to help you. What's good? My name is Reds, and in today's video, I'm going to help you get unbanned on Valorant. Let's get into it. So there's actually only two ways of getting unbanned on Valorant. The first one is buying a brand new PC, which could cost you up to $2,000, and the second way is by using a spoofer. I'm going to show you how to prepare a spoofer and how to use it to get unbanned. The first thing I need you to do is go make a brand new Valorant account. After you have done this, next, open File Explorer and search up Valorant. You want to search up Valorant and Riot Games, and what you want to do is delete the files. So just click the trash can button. So just because you deleted the game itself and you deleted it through your File Explorer, it does not mean the game is 100% off your computer. So go back down to your search bar and search up Registry Editor. Once this opens, there will be a pop-up. Just simply click yes. Once you're in here, click Control and F at the same exact time and search up Valorant. I will have multiple different files on the screen that you want to type in to delete. When you're actually trying to delete these files, just right click where it says Program Files and click Delete. Once you get this message, this is how you know you're done. Finish searching through the registry means you are all good, but I highly suggest you guys take your time with this and make sure all these files are deleted. Go back down to your search bar and search up privacy. Open up privacy settings, and in here, for people that are on Windows 10, you will only have 4 options. For people that are on Windows 11, you will have 5. For whatever version of Windows you are on, make sure you turn all these settings off. Go back down to your search bar and search up advanced. Open up view advanced system settings, go to the far left where it says computer name, and just type in a brand new name. Click OK and apply. Click yes 3 times. Your computer is going to ask you to restart your PC. You do not have to. Go back down to your search bar once again and search up system configuration. What you want to do in here is make sure your PC is on normal startup. If it is on normal startup already, you have nothing to do. If it's not, click normal startup and click OK and apply. Once you have done all of this, empty out your recycle bin. Congratulations, you are almost unbanned on Valorant. Like I said earlier, we are going to be using a spoofer to get unbanned today. For those of you that don't know what a spoofer is, let me explain. A hardware spoofer is a software service designed to change your computer's serial number and identity. Kernel anti-cheat games will take the computer's hardware ID and they blacklist it from their game server. A spoofer will create you a brand new hardware ID so your computer will bypass that same hardware ban and you will be able to run the game on a fresh new hardware ID and a fresh new account. I will have a link to their Discord and their website in the description. Now I'm going to introduce you to Impact Services. Impact Services is the creator of the VMAX, which is the spoofer we're going to use today to get unbanned. So just go to my description and click the Discord link and it will bring you here. Once you verify, everything else on the left will pop up. Before we get into all the other details and the prices, I want to go over the reviews. As you can see, there's many people enjoying this spoofer just like you would. Impact Services also provides cheats, so if you're interested in that, I might make a video of that on the future, but you could also find this information inside their Discord. On the far left, go under the VMAX HWID spoofer and click the VMAX spoofer and it will bring you to this page. So the cool thing that Impact Services offers when it comes to their VMAX is they actually offer you 2 different spoofers when you purchase it. No, this does not mean you get both spoofers when you purchase, but you get to choose which one you want to use. Their spoofers are natural and kernel. The natural spoofer has advanced technology to reprogram a hardware identity and will reprogram your HWID that will stay undetectable just like in a brand new computer. The natural spoofer, however, only works on 50% of computers because some computers have high-end security measures that does not allow to be reprogrammed. The kernel spoofer is an administrative powered spoofer to generate a new hardware ID. Administrative spoofing works on any desktop and any laptop, and this spoofer is undetectable. This works on 100% of PCs and 100% of laptops. Both of these spoofers support Windows 10 and Windows 11, and they also offer instant delivery, 24/7 customer support through Discord, unbanned guidance, and video tutorials just like this one. Both of these spoofers are also automated. They have 2 TPM bypasses, and they will also help you with an IP ban. The reason I'm going into great depth about this spoofer is because I want to warn you guys about other spoofers on the market. Most of the other spoofers on the market, they only modify and mask the hardware ID, which is highly vulnerable to getting detected, which will just get you banned again. Most other spoofers also require you to have a VPN on at all times, and they also require you to respoof every time you get on a game. You do not have to worry about any of those issues I just listed with the VMAX because the VMAX has all of that covered. Now that you know this, I'm going to walk you through how to actually purchase the spoofer. So if you scroll up under the same tab, it will have all the prices. For a one-time license key, it is $24.99, and for a lifetime license key, it is $49.99. If you use my code RED, all lowercase, you will get 20% off your purchase. This will knock the $25 price tag down to $20, and it will knock the $50 price tag all the way down to $40. So make sure you use my code RED to get a discount. Some extra information about the games this works on, plus many more, is also under here, and you could also check out their showcases for both spoofers. I will also do this exact same thing later in the video, but it's always good to reference. When it comes to actually purchasing a spoofer, you want to go to the purchase tab under the ticket system. Scroll all the way up until you find make a ticket. You want to fill out all this information: what video game, Valorant, what product, VMAX hardware spoofer, what duration. You can choose either the one time or the lifetime, but I highly recommend the lifetime so you always have the option to go back and respoof. When it comes to payment method, use your preferred payment method. All the supported payment methods are right here listed under the VMAX Spoofer channel. Once you have done this, click submit and you will get assistance from an Impact Services employee through their ticket system. In there is where you will pay, and on top of that they will also send the download link for the spoofer, ask you which spoofer you want to use, and they will also send you your license key. The reason I am not showing you this is because I don't want you to show this to anybody else, because anything you get in that ticket is private information. Now I'm going to showcase both spoofers working in real time for both users. This is what the natural spoofer looks like. And this is what the Chrono Spoofer looks like.
You keep raising diamonds without cause. All you feel is dread. My logic is fair. If it's pain, it's ever gonna stop. Cause we both know that one day it's not gonna.
Congratulations to both users, you are now unbanned on Valorant. All you have to do now is re-download the game, log into a brand new account, and proceed to playing. I highly doubt you'll have any issues, but if you do, please contact Impact Services support through their Discord ticket system. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope I helped you. If I did, please drop a sub, please drop a comment, and please like the video and share it with anybody that might have this issue that needs help. This is Reds, and I'll catch you in the next one.